So tell me what today is. Tuesday. And what's today? Your first day of kindergarten. Are you excited? Show me how excited you are. Lane, show me how excited you are at kindergarten. Okay, look at me.
Never stop and say the whole world. Yeah, exciting.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Red.
What's your number?
554.
Okay, come over here. How old are you?
5.
Are you sure you're not 4?
Yes, I'm sure I'm 5.
What's the date today?
What did you say?
What's the date?
Date?
Yeah, come here. Come look at me. Say August.
24.
No, 18th.
18.
2015.
2015.
You excited?
Oh yeah.
Don't. Alright. Well, you ready to go to school?
Yeah, can I ride in front?
No, you gotta ride in the back. Look at me. So you ready to go to school?
Yes, I am! Grasshopper.
Yeah. Alright, come here. Come here. Love you. Go get in the car.
Let's get in your car. Mama's got the car first. I'm gonna start the car.
No, wait. Alright.